Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing and another coin update. And again, if you would like these in-depth technical analysis coins, you tell me the coins on a technical trading chart. We'll make up and do updates every day. And my man here wants Revain coin, and he used to want Elastos, but we got rid of it because he requested us that he did not want that coin no more. And you can see in Elastos right now, or in Revain coin, you can see we're trading down towards that ring that we've been talking about, our underneath major support that's down here at point as the price action moves into the current time frame. It's probably going to come down right here on December 7th at 0.00933. We've been showing you from ring to ring how this has been dropping down, and it broke down out of this ring up here, right? And then it tanked, and now we're at the current point. And like we've been talking about, we're going to stay zoomed in on the 2-hour time frame. And what looks most likely is this coin in an up and down fashion will continue to trade and come down to an underneath target. And then when you come here, you can see if you can't gather some support and then maybe trade back to the 200-day. That would be trading up into there somewhere, right? Or even come up even higher. And maybe that would be a good swing trading opportunity from this blue ring support to this major upper support. Our resistance would be 50%, but I'm not calling for that, but that's something to watch, as we often do like to get a bounce off of these rings when we come down and get it. But nothing's changed in this coin since we started watching it. I still believe our underneath target is down here at 0.00933, right? And if we go to ZK2, it looks like it's been pumping, and we haven't ever looked at this coin, and it's a new coin, so there's not much data. And when there's not much data on a new coin, there's only so much you can do with a technical trading chart, because you need information, and the information is price action, right? So the less price action, the less information you can get off the chart, right? But if you can see right now, we've had a nice pump. So we're just going to get a baseline there. We'll lock that. It just gives me something to look at, some support and resistance areas that it brings out. And then we get our volume indicator just to kind of see where all the volume trading. It's way down there. It's not good. That means there's a lot of error there. So if I'm looking at this, I'm seeing in the daily time frame, we'll go to the 4-hourly. I'm seeing a topping pattern here, right? Right near the top by our fib circle. But if we get into the 2-hour time frame, you can see what looks like a rising, this looks like a topping pattern to me right here, right? We got a lot of underneath support and resistance right there, right? See that? And then if we clone that, we got a lot of major overhead support and resistance with some wicks out of it, right? So it looks like a topping pattern, but what I would watch out for is what likes to happen either on the 100-day, the 50-day in red, or the 200-day. They like to do this and then pop back up and back test and then get rejected, right? You can look at a lot of stocks recently that have done this. The Dow Jones did this, but you can do it from here. You pop up and you back test what you broke out of, and then you start to tank down. So watch out for that, as this is an option to back test. Maybe come up to this upper ring up there would be your upper target. If you pump up off of the red or the blue, the 200-day or the 50-day, respectively, this is where you would top out at, right? $76, I believe, is your top end potential. And then on a major breakdown in the short term, your underneath target on a breakdown would be the 200-day moving average, right? Which right now at current price, it's floating right there. So that's what I would watch out for in this. Just seeing the coin for the first time, I would watch to see how it interacts with the moving averages, right? If you can't hold the 50-day in red, you're going to slip to the 100 in blue, and then you might come back up. And then if you can't hold the blue, you're going to come to the green, right? So I would watch the moving averages. Option one is you come up and back test this and straddle it and maybe trade to this upper target. Option two is you start getting rejected now and trade between the moving averages and down on the moving averages to the underneath target at 43 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate your